Hello, and today we are going to be assembling the 2PI Crisis Battlesuits 3D model that I 3D printed, set by Mr. Shibbles. Yeah, so it's a fairly nice model. It's intuitive. It's like very close to the original, so you can assemble it using the original instructions, but I already know how to assemble it, so I don't need the instructions. Okay. Yeah, so here I glued the bottom part of the torso. Okay, so now we are making legs for it. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Right now I am not really sure how I will pose it, but I have an idea. I already assembled all the torso in the slicer, and yeah, it came out pretty good except for the bottom, but the bottom isn't really visible, so it's easy to, it's okay. Like this. Okay, yeah. So here's the left leg. Yeah, here's the left leg. Here's the right leg. Here's both legs. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, these are pretty fast to build. Yeah, yeah. So this one will be I think it will be a Starforge battlesuit with two flamethrowers or flamers if in like in 40k language. I want, yeah, okay, so it's like running. Okay. Now we put the torso to it. I'm not going to put it on a base because I don't have a base for it right now, and yeah, it's kind of long to print one, so it's going to be lying on the table for a while. Yeah, here's the head for it. Isn't really detailed, but it's alright. Alright, especially you can the camera probably can't see it, but there is a visible eye here. Here's the eye, and there are a couple like smaller eyes. So now we are building the wings. Okay, wing number. The right wing is complete. fit in there, so we cut it a little bit. Yeah, so the babies are crying. Yeah, my little sisters are crying in the background. So yeah, it's like a problem, a small problem, because I'm assembling it in the living room. Yeah. Very loud. Yeah, so it's like running, or yeah, it's running. Okay. Okay, now we're building the wing number 2. So the model is compatible with the original Crisis battlesuit instructions, which is very nice. And yeah, Mr. Shibbles is probably one of the best like 3D model builders those out there. Yes, his models are really good. Now we mhm. Yeah, so the building of this one is almost complete. Now we put the head on it, on top of it, like on top of its torso, shoulders, I guess. Mm-hmm. Yeah, like this. Uh-huh. Now we remove it, and we're building the arms and then we glue the weapons, and the build is over. So the arms are like this, they're posable also, but yeah, the holes don't really fit to each other. Like maybe I'll try. Now I have to cut them off. So the arms are also good. This one is an extra piece, so I'll throw it away. Yeah, so now we the glue. Uh, yeah, so suppose he's kinda goofy, but I guess he's like running and shoot and like shooting his flamer. Yeah, now I wait till the glue dries and yeah, so here how it looks. Yeah, so here's this how it looks right now. Yeah, pretty nice. I printed it on this side, so there is lots of detail, but it's okay. So you can do it like this. Yeah, so I removed these flamers from my broken another broken crisis suit because the legs broke off, and then I tried to like glue them. The gluing failed. Then I like tried the last resort and tried melting them to the legs, but it didn't work. So yeah, failed. Mhm. Mhm. So he's running, and yeah, he's missing from the second one, but I guess it doesn't really matter because flamers and rules they can't miss, so he can aim upwards and still hit. And of how the rules look, it's almost as if like the flamers are better than the Gatling guns because they require they're only one strength less and they require a bit one less roll, so they have more chance to hit. And the Gatling guns already have only six, yeah, only 5 strength, so, and these have 4, so yeah, it's the flamers are better. So yeah, he is finished, and now I'm going to compare sizes on it of it and like other stuff that I have. So here, yeah, so here it is compared to like a regular human. The model is like I made it by myself. It's like Imperial Knight Pilot with a gun pointed at his hand at something. Yeah, so it's like 2 times, I guess it's like 2 times higher than like a regular human. Not like 2 times, I think it's like 1, yeah, a lot higher than a regular human. Then we compare it to the drone. It's 3 times higher than the drone. But I guess the drone is flying in the original in the original like miniature, so it doesn't, so it's okay. Now we compare it to a stealth suit. It's like, yeah, it's 1.5 times bigger. Now we compare it to the Riptide battlesuit. So Riptide is 2 times taller than it. Okay, and now to the last one, we're comparing it to an Imperial Knight. Yeah, here it is. The Knight is 3 times taller than it. And also the Knight can technically like grab it and toss it to somewhere. So yeah, that's it for like this model, for me building it and like comparing sizes of it to other stuff. Yeah, really nice model. It turned out nice even at like a low like quality. I'm not going to base this right now, yeah, because I don't have a base for it yet, but yeah, really nice.